Beautiful denim fabric, easy to coordinate. Strong wood frame covered with high-density foam, contain no added flame retardant chemical. Wooden legs. Recommended age: 2 to 5 years old. Use light dishwashing soap and warm water for spot cleaning. Sofa size: 32L×18W×18H in. Top reviews from the United States. With a little customization, the Ninja Queen is happy. We moved. I knew I needed to find a small couch for her to enjoy. I replaced the low-profile legs with normal height so she could hide or do her normal thing. Slice up a little hole in the bottom fabric so she could hide in the couch if she wanted. She immediately began to enjoy this after the unboxing and custom leg job. The couch is well made. I am impressed. I would even the fat kids could enjoy it. Good deal.